Hey everybody, we are going to be making some coffee today. So let's get right into it. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe. So first we need to take this and put it in here. So just be careful to not give the screens, and I think it's almost full. And it's almost ready. 11. And then after that, and when the full signs comes up, we are going to make the coffee by first putting this in here, making sure it's all locked up, and then close this. For the other steps, you still need to put a paper filter Great Value brand, and then have it all in there, have it in here, and we're gonna make 4, and you can adjust the strength for these, and then let's start it. And we are going to film it making, so let's just wait a little bit and let's start. So here we go, and it's coming on, and it's preheating right now. So it's going to come on, and now it's not as loud, and then there's the coffee. And we are going to also be, that won't be as loud, and then you still need a paper filter, and you also need the coffee beans. So after we do you need the coffee beans. Like, they look somehow like, here is like any kind of coffee bean works really. And it's almost done. I know, actually it's not done yet. And it's going to keep coming on. So if it's coming, and we're just waiting.
How much longer will it be?
For 3.5 minutes.
Oh, okay.
And then here's a live count of it right now.
Oh, look, I just noticed something. See, it did say full, and now it says 11.
Yep, and now it says.
So it's already made the first cup. That's pretty cool. Oh, look, 10. It's counting down.
It's counting down right now, so it's on 10. And then about 3 minutes left. And don't forget, you have to put some water in it. Any kind of water works.
There's one fancy coffee pot.
It's almost done. Just wait for it to get all done, and then.
It smells good.
And it also smells good. Okay, about 2:30 left.
So what did we do outside with the coffee grounds?
And also, if you have coffee grounds, you can put them in your plants, and it will help them. And it's at 9 and about almost 2 minutes remaining.
Oh, so cool. Look at that. Countdown.
And it's coming up.
I love that sound. Gurgle, gurgle.
And 50 seconds left.
Who drinks coffee in your house?
Me.
You do not. Do you really?
Yes.
Your mom and daddy both drink coffee?
Yes.
And definitely your Uncle Seth.
And definitely who's filming. And definitely the cameraman.
Who? The cameraman. Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
Yes.
The
Yeah.
cameraman loves
Yes.
coffee.
Yeah, since we're on a mic.
Oh my goodness, look, it's almost ready.
Okay, it's almost ready.
Taste it already.
And we're going to put the creamer in here.
Oh, look, it's down to 8. So it made the 4, and it's almost done.
Okay, we're going to also put the creamer in here.
Uh-huh.
There will beep when it's ready.
Oh, I've already got a cup of coffee. Maybe I'll just have to drink some later. Oh, there it goes. That's
And
how you
that's
know it's
it.
done. And show them the lock again. I don't think we got a good picture of the lock.
As in that, don't forget you have to lock. It's going to be a little wet
And it stays hot like till the afternoon, right?
till the afternoon. From maybe like 8 a.m. or something.
Okay.
So
And
if
burn, I think your daddy said.
so if we take it and it's really hot right now.
Oh, okay. Let's wait until it's not so hot. Okay, cool. All right.
And that is it. But everybody, please like and subscribe, and share, and see you guys. And hopefully you enjoyed this content.